Hi, in this video, we will be showing you how to make your very own anti-aging serum. Whether you're in your 20s or 60s, we all want to keep our skin looking young and fresh. The good news is, you don't need to spend a fortune on expensive skincare products. You can make your own serum at home using natural ingredients. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, 2 tablespoons of rosehip oil, 10 drops of frankincense essential oil, and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. First, mix the jojoba oil and rosehip oil together in a small glass bottle or container. Then, add the frankincense and lavender essential oils and give it a good shake to mix everything together. That's it, your anti-aging serum is ready. Apply a few drops to your face and neck in the morning and evening after cleansing and toning. The jojoba and rosehip oils will nourish and hydrate your skin, while the frankincense and lavender oils have anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Give your skin time to adjust to the new serum and be patient. You won't see results overnight, but with regular use, you'll notice a difference in the texture and appearance of your skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.